Did you know that one of the most natural forms of self-healing for animals and for humans is actually shaking? Yep, you heard that right. I said shaking. I'll tell you more. I'm Missy Wilriker with SpiritBizPeople, and welcome to today's Vibration Tune-Up video. So shaking, that is what I said. I first got introduced to shaking in a number of different spiritual and healing retreats and workshops, and I fell in love with it instantly. There are a ton of benefits to shaking, and let me just say, when I say shaking, I mean literally shaking. One of the benefits is it releases the tension. You know, where do you feel anxiety and tension in your body? Where have you been sitting at the computer too long and you're stuck in your body in a certain way? Shaking can help loosen that up and relieve it. Another way that shaking really helps is to move stagnant energy. We all have activities in our business that we get stuck in. I know for me, I get stuck writing copy sometimes. And so shaking can just get the energy moving and it releases whatever's stuck, so that I can say what I need to say and you can do what you need to do. Shaking also helps relieve fear. So if you're finding yourself noticing fear coming up as you do certain activities in your business, maybe before a speaking gig, shaking is a great way to loosen that, because fear like freezes in our body, it gets stuck. And so the shaking can just move it on out. Finally, what I love about shaking is it's just this like free, fun opportunity to be out of control and just be your wild self. And that is a really potent and powerful energy to tap into, your wild, crazy, out of control nature. Because so much of leading a business, being a leader, there's so much control. There's so many ways that we show up in certain ways and manage how we have to be. So shaking is a great opportunity to let it go and be out of control. So we're going to shake in just a moment, and I invite you, as you shake with me, to forget about how it looks. There's no right way, there's no wrong way to shake. You're going to see how I shake, and you'll find your own path to shaking. And so that is another wonderful benefit to shaking. We spend so much time positioning ourselves as business owners that shaking is a great opportunity to take that armor, take those masks off, put them aside, and be however feels right to you to be. So start noticing in your body where you're feeling tension, where you're feeling fear, where you might feel stuck. I'm going to get some music going and we're going to shake together. Ready? Here we go. All right. Start to just tap in. What part of you needs to loosen up and release and shake? And if you're not sure, I always start with my hands. There's something about just shaking your hands like you're going to shake them right off that feels like a good start. Shake it. Don't stop. Maybe your whole arms. Something else needs shaking? Shake that. All right. You might be sitting at your desk. It's time to stand up. Keep shaking. Keep shaking. Don't stop. Don't stop for anything. Even if you're tired, shake something else. Shake a bit. And the other one. Your knees. Your arms. Don't stop. Even if you're tired, keep shaking. Find something you haven't shaken yet. shake it. Shake your tongue. Shake your head. Shoulders. Arms, hands, feet. All of it. All right. All right. Woo! Woo! Hope that felt good. Take a couple breaths. Notice what you feel in your body. Whew. I know I feel really loosened up, and I feel like my whole body is buzzing. So that's today's vibration tune-up. Shake it away, shake it off, and have a great day. I'm Missy Wilriker with Spirit Biz People.